The steak I ordered wasn't cooked through. Excuse me, could you come here for a moment?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I ordered a medium steak, but look at this. It's still pink and cold in the middle.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me take a closer look.
It's not just pink. The center is really raw.
You're right. This isn't cooked properly at all. I apologize.
I ordered it about 15 minutes ago.
I see. Was this the ribeye or the sirloin?
The ribeye, medium with pepper sauce.
Got it. The kitchen must have made a mistake with the cooking time.
I was really looking forward to this.
I understand. This isn't the quality we want to serve our guests.
Thank you for saying that.
Can I ask, is anyone sharing this meal with you tonight?
No, just me. I have a meeting in about 40 minutes.
Okay, that's very important to know. We need to move quickly.
Yes, please. I don't have much time tonight.
Let me check with the kitchen right away. One moment.
Sure, I'll wait.
Thank you for your patience. I'm back. The kitchen can cook a new steak, but it will take about 12 minutes.
12 minutes? That might be too long for me.
I understand. We also have a grilled chicken dish that's ready in about 5 minutes.
I really wanted steak tonight, though.
Another option is the same ribeye, but cooked well done instead of medium. That takes a little less time.
How much less time?
Around 8 minutes.
That's better, but I don't really like well-done steak. It's too dry for me.
I understand completely. Medium is much more tender.
Can the kitchen just finish cooking this same piece a little more?
Unfortunately, no. Once a steak is cut open like this, we can't serve it again.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
It's a food safety rule. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay, it's not your fault, but I really need to leave by 7:30.
Let me speak to the chef directly and ask about a faster medium steak.
Do you think that's possible?
The chef might be able to help, but I can't promise the exact time yet.
I understand. Please ask.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Good news. The chef can prepare a smaller cut of ribeye cooked medium in about 9 minutes.
9 minutes? That could really work for me.
Also, since this was our mistake, the new steak will be free of charge.
Really? That's very kind of you.
It's the least we can do. Would you like the same pepper sauce with it?
Yes, please. The sauce was actually very good.
Perfect. Would you also like your side dish to stay the same? You had mashed potatoes, correct?
Yes, mashed potatoes, please.
Great. While you wait, could I bring you a small side salad? There's no extra charge.
That would be nice. Thank you.
Any dressing preference? We have vinaigrette or a creamy ranch.
Vinaigrette, please.
Coming right up.
Thank you, Jack. This is very helpful.
You're welcome, Molly. I'll bring your salad now. Here's your salad, and the new steak should be ready in about 7 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you. This salad is fresh. I like it.
I'm glad to hear that. While we wait, can I get you something to drink? Water, juice, or maybe a soda?
Just water, please. No ice.
No problem. I'll bring that too.
Thank you.
I checked again. Your new steak is almost ready, about 2 more minutes.
Great. Perfect timing. My meeting starts soon.
I know. I'll bring it as soon as it's out of the kitchen.
I appreciate that.
Here's your new ribeye, cooked medium, with pepper sauce and mashed potatoes.
Let me check. Yes, this looks much better. Nice pink center, warm all the way through.
I'm really glad. I'm sorry again for the earlier mistake.
It's okay. These things happen sometimes. You handled it very well.
Thank you for understanding.
This tastes really good now.
That's great to hear.
Actually, is it possible to get the bill soon? I need to finish eating and leave.
Of course. I'll bring it whenever you're ready. No rush.
Thank you. I still have about 20 minutes, so I'm fine for now.
Take your time. Just wave if you need anything.
One more question. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept both card and cash.
Great, I'll pay by card then.
No problem at all.
Also, since the first steak wasn't right, will there be any charge for the salad and drink?
No, those are on us tonight as an apology.
That's very generous. Thank you.
It's the least we can do after the mistake.
I really appreciate the way you handled this.
Thank you, Molly. That means a lot.
I think I'm ready for the bill now.
Sure, one moment, please. Here you go. The total is $15, and as I mentioned, the new steak, salad, and water are not charged.
Wait, only $15? That seems very low.
Yes, that's just for the pepper sauce since it's an extra topping. Everything else is complimentary tonight.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I'll pay by card now.
Sure, here's the card machine.
Done, thank you.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Jack, thank you again for fixing this so quickly.
Of course, Molly. I'm happy everything worked out.
I'll definitely come back here again.
We'd love to see you again.
Have a good night.
You too. Good luck with your meeting.